Okay, I'm at Trabuco Hills High School. Track meet, CIF track meet. I've now been informed. I have a Paris Union HDX parked right there. I have a Thomas non-HDX from First Student parked in front of me. And then I have a couple of Rialto buses. Rialto 228. This is small. Come on. Come here. Rialto 228, a Bluebird with a green Bluebird on the side. And then I have Rialto B242 Bluebird over there. And then I got a mess of buses parked behind me. You can't really tell in that mirror, but there's a, if you look at shadows, there's two buses that way. And here comes another bus. This is bus number 73 from Chafee Joint Junior High School District. And if you look in my outside mirror, there are buses down the corner, down and around the corner that way. If I get a chance to, I'll try and get all the buses on video. We'll see. Have another Thomas coming up the street. Durham School Services. A Thomas. Durham School Services 19853. Paris, nope, Hammett Unified School District, HDX. Rupa, Fastier, Vesperia, TLC Luxury, bus number 10. Anaheim IC, that's what our buses will look like. Electric. Beaumont Unified. High speed reverse. Unified, Moreno Valley, Durham, and GFK.